Today, we're looking at the Fire Department Firefighting Unit from LEGO. The set is number 60108 and it contains a helicopter, a police motorcycle, and a shipping container that's on fire. But first, let's unbox everything and take a closer look at the set. It includes 3 minifigures, a pilot, a worker, and a firefighter. Now let's put the set together quickly and we'll look at its special features. So, is everything all put together? As mentioned earlier, the fire department motorcycle, the shipping container that is on fire, the fire department helicopter. You can fill it with water at the front. That's these round transparent Lego pieces. Just insert them on top between the rotor blades, and then you can just release them underneath and the water falls on the container and puts out the fire. Cool feature. So that's it for this set. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you like, you can watch some more right here.